After filling up the fuel, now I will go to Lishka. Menta ke step ngồi thạch bên hơi sòng hải yến để ngồi một bên lịch cài cho phăng sa Lishka mà bên nak map ka pen I kumba arthunyo kilometer ye để ngam tep được kalak bentam kalak benduna ru mentang dang ya kena kelenti ben lech la rum Sarumbai surok te bah chane tep restesh kmat kerman bakan bah bi kumne ban aram kelech kaloi ru menta te ngeladon hane sinong Rumbai. Kong, kane ban poisa Lishka. Nang tu. Boleh mah. Oh, the old bridge is down there. Oh, nice one. Everywhere are green. So it's beautiful green grass left and right of me. So where is tang up terus sendrang water lum Lishka sini try. I'll go this way. I think it leads to Lishka Dam. Clean oba. Eba, kane Lishka Dam don sekemat. Ka Lishka Dam. Sekemat, boleh mo. It's better asking people because if you look at the map sometime leads you nowhere. So people is the best direction to us. But sometimes if you ask the wrong person, it will lead you more dangerous. This is a resort, I think, down there. What is this? Welcome to Lamu Falls. Sometimes if you drive alone also is good with the beauty of a nature, because the beauty of the nature and the cool breeze will give you relief from anything. Lishka Dam, I can see the head of it. I have to go to the bottom. This part is good. Who will allow me to ride that side? I'll ride this side only. Time we used to go early in the morning. Where is the road? I will take this way. Ba, kena kapoi siapa kadam siapa dam. Ni. Dah boleh mah. Arre. Surak las dang snew. Kajing mana Thomas Bekod Suchen Muli.
Surak alas niwa. Oh ni kinong rap da grup bet kele. Ora sisnong hi man la ya lang.
Sepolis ka dam. Ya ni. Nani? Tah, keblai mah.
Kadam te kala don toh po ngahapan sutang bancu hiar na nulum. Tip kasurok kalong kumno tip nang ne te kabha. Sto kam support sibir te tip su.
Arre. Cingkelan. Oh ni. Leskadam. Wah. Cingi bang. Jangan ada lak mensangkam jeliu lagi. Kene kadega viewpoint. Ada. Kaum i kembang ke belu. Kimawat kisau. Jeruk asid terai. The road is bad.